This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Kai Kopsk. This is a great place to call home. 3-bedroom 2-bath with open concept floor plan is situated in the desirable Heritage Green neighborhood. The cozy living room with gas fireplace is adjacent to the kitchen and offers an abundance of light filtering in through the glass back door. The eat-in kitchen is complete with new stainless appliances, on order, well-maintained spacious cabinets and plenty of room to cook. A discreet but ample laundry space is also conveniently located. The ensuite master features a garden tub and separate shower. 2 additional bedrooms west/full bathroom are spacious and bright. French doors lead out to the porch area, which is perfect for a small table, chairs and a barbecue. The patio leads to the detached 2-car garage which has a good amount of storage and some shelving. Walk 1 block through the neighborhood to access the community amenities, which include a clubhouse, outdoor pool, playground, easily accessible walking trails and direct access to the greenway. For more information,